Hey everybody, how's it going? So today is December 5th, 2021. This is going to be a quick little guess what's in the box video. Picked this up from Amazon. There should be several items in here. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is a box from Amazon I got yesterday on December 4th, 2021. And it showed up today, or no. I bought it on December 3rd and it showed up on December 4th. Today is December 5th. So it showed up yesterday. It's actually really early in the morning. It's 2:19 in the morning. Figured I'd just get this video done and then we'll open it in the next video. So this is just going to be the guess what's in the box video. This is going to be an electronics items. So this box is 11 1/4 inches long by 8 1/8 wide, and it is 5 3/4 deep. Should be some needed accessories in here for a electronic item, but it's just going to be a quick video. As always, when I do these quick guess what's in the box videos, they're always really short. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!